Where's Michael? There he is. You know what we're doing? Hey mamas, welcome to the Mommy Pockets and our How to Holiday series. If y'all haven't done so yet, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and click that notification bell so you can get notified on all of the new and upcoming videos that we have. Today, we are going to be making a fall family wreath. So this is a fall family craft, and it'll be a really great keepsake for y'all down the road in the future. I know last week I did a how to make a holiday wreath, but this is going to be a crafty wreath, so it's going to get the whole family involved and it's going to be super cute. Now first, I'm going to go over the supplies and everything that y'all need. This is a really easy craft and it only will take maybe about 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm going to keep this simple as possible for y'all. But let's go ahead and get started. First thing you're going to want to have is 4 different colors of construction paper for the color scheme of whatever holiday is that we're doing. So since we are doing the fall, I am doing orange, brown, red, and yellow. Next, you're going to want to grab some fun markers. These are just the Crayola. They're double-ended markers. You can get whatever kind of markers you want. Skinny markers. You also need a pen. You need glue. You need some scissors, and if the kids are involved, obviously make sure you have your kids safe scissors. And lastly, you're going to need some string. So these are really simple things that you probably already have laying around the house. So if you've been curious on you wanting to do something, get the family involved, do like a craft night or a family night in, this is a really great opportunity for everyone to come together and get involved and have a little fun and make a really great keepsake for everybody. First things first, you're going to want to get everybody's hands drawn individually on 2 different colors of paper. And then for the kids, what you're going to want to do also is get 2 different colors of both of their feet. It's going to be your top accent piece. So you're going to have your kids' feet on top, and then you're going to have a whole wreath of your family's handprints. So it's going to be super cute once the entire thing comes together. So what you're going to want to do, like I said, is go ahead and get those hands drawn out. What you're going to want to use is a pen though. We did use marker with Michael and it did not turn out as well as we thought. So use the pen. The marker will leave marks on there. Unless your children are older, then it's okay because they can wash their hands. Michael is not old enough and would refuse to let us wash his hands and feet. So he'll be running around with marker until we can finally get that off. But go do that, and then we'll be back to go over the next steps. It's very simple to keep these ones entertained. Give them a marker. And since you are watching them, it's okay that they have it. You're going to first take one of their feet, and you're going to take your marker. You're going to take the foot, and you're going to draw it on one of the pages. You're going to want to do both feet. But so you have the outline of their toes, and you're going to want to keep these, and you're going to make the feet in 2 different colors. So I chose orange. I'm going to do a brown one as well. And then you have your second feet drawn. So to review, you need 2 colors of both feet, okay? Next, you're going to want to grab the hands. Grab the other 2 colors, which I chose yellow and red, and you're going to do the hands. Mine are sick.
Yeah. We'll see this year.
Yeah.
The Cowboys will play us.
You are lucky. 2 and 0. 2 and 0. Loss for you, win for me.
Here.
Okay, so let's grab the baby, the Superman. And you're going to take, like I said, the other 2 colors. The other 2 colors.
house is a mess.
You're gonna want to take the other two colors and do both of the hands on the other two colors of pages. Alright, so once you have the little ones' hands and feet drawn out, you're going to want to take the opposite two colors, the colors that you use for the feet. You're going to want to take your hands and draw them on those colors. We used orange and brown for his feet, and we are going to use orange and brown for our hands. And you're only going to want to trace one hand of each color. So like I'm doing my right hand in the orange, and then I'm going to do my left hand in brown.
Now it's my turn.
So once you have the entire family's hands, since we only have 3 people, it's me, Kevin, and Michael, we did our hands both once, and then Michael's hands, what we're going to do is just duplicate them on both. That way there's 8 of his little hands and then 4 of our hands combined. Once you have everyone's hands and feet drawn, you're going to want to go ahead and cut them all out. Once you have everything cut out and ready to go, with all the little hands and your hands, you're gonna want to go ahead and set it up as a wreath and label your hands. So I'll go ahead and show y'all that and then what to do next, obviously. As you can see here, you have all of the hands and the feet up on top. So you're going to want to label the individual hands. So you can just put like daddy, mommy, and then however many kids you have. Let's say in your example here, you have 4. You could put this kid's hand, this one, child 3 and 4 on those, and then label their toes. I'm going to put the date on top, September 2018. You can do however you want. If you want to label their feet, you can, but I just want to have the date. That way it's memorized. And it could be a great memorabilia for future holidays to come. You can see here that Michael has doubled hands. What I did is I made a hot dog. If y'all remember that from school, I hot dogged his hands. That way I could make 2 of each to fill out the wreath. Next step is going to be to glue everything together as seen here as your family wreath turns out for you. And the colors are evenly placed throughout the wreath to bring it all together and make it very cohesive. Last but not least, you're going to want to take your completed wreath like this, and you're going to want to hole punch these 2 little toes right up here. And then you're going to take your string and make a large loop. That way you can hang your wreath once you're done. Okay, so it should be all glued. It should have your string attached to the toes. And y'all, this should be your final piece once it's done. Have all the little toes and the entire family's hands. This is gonna be the completed look. All you have to do is decide where y'all wanna hang it and you're set to go. This is part of the new holiday how-to series that I'm doing. On Tuesdays, it is my TMP talk. I post about mom motivation, encouragement, becoming a better version of yourself, becoming a more badass mom. It is an amazing talk and it's short. It gets you guys motivated and ready to just go out and conquer the day, the world, and whatever it is you're going after. And Fridays, I do post my family vlogs. So if you want to see a little inside and behind the scenes of what we do during our week, Fridays are really fun. They're cute. You can see a lot of Michael in those, and he's really entertaining. But if you guys, like I said, haven't done so, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you can get updated on all the newest and latest content. Cheers, beautiful.